today's video, we are putting the EUHOMY and VEVOR commercial ice makers head-to-head in a feature-packed showdown. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these ice makers, make sure to check the link in the description below. Both machines are stainless steel undercounter units that pump out serious ice, yet they approach the task with distinctly different philosophies, starting with daily production, where the VEVOR edges ahead with 120 pounds compared to EUHOMY's 100. Though both share the same 33-pound storage bin, so you are emptying them at similar intervals. The EUHOMY counters with EEL certification that officially stamps it for both home and commercial kitchens, making it a safer bet for restaurants and cafes, while the VEVOR enjoys bestseller status in the home bar category and runs whisper quiet at under 50 decibels, which is a major win if you're hosting guests in an open concept space. Control panels are another clear fork in the road because EUHOMY gives you a full LCD screen that monitors ambient temperature and lets you dial an ice thickness for smoothies or whiskey, while VEVOR opts for an intuitive LED display with a 48-hour timer that lets you schedule production around parties or busy service hours, so you can plan ahead rather than react in the moment. Maintenance tells a similar story of trade-offs because EUHOMY relies on gravity drainage, which means you absolutely need a floor drain and must position the hose lower than the machine, whereas VEVOR includes a detachable water tank with one-touch self-cleaning that makes upkeep significantly simpler for most home setups, though the EUHOMY does have an automatic cleaning function on its panel as well. Build quality feels robust on both with stainless steel exteriors, but the EUHOMY offers multiple color and finish options like polished and silver variants that let you match your kitchen aesthetic, while VEVOR keeps it straightforward with a single professional look and focuses on raw output and scheduling smarts. The EUHOMY produces clearer ice cubes per cycle and includes an overflow prevention system for worry-free operation, while VEVOR gets you your first batch in just 10 minutes, which is slightly faster than EUHOMY's 11 to 15-minute cycle. So if speed is your priority, VEVOR takes that round, but EUHOMY wins on ice clarity and commercial-grade safety certifications. Both machines are energy-conscious and built to last, yet the VEVOR's detachable tank and ultra-quiet compressor make it more forgiving for everyday home use, while the EUHOMY feels like the workhorse you would trust in a busy deli or coffee shop where certification and durability under constant use matter most. After weighing all these factors side by side, the VEVOR edges out as the better choice for most people because it's higher daily output, quieter operation, easier maintenance with a detachable tank, and scheduling features deliver more practical value for home bars and smaller commercial spaces without sacrificing reliability. If you're ready to grab either of these machines at the best available price, the link in the description below is waiting for you. So click it now to secure your deal and never run out of ice again.